Hello friends, this is Akash Misar here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Mechanical Engineering Make Easy. We are moving with manufacturing. This is 35th lecture and in that we are moving with advanced manufacturing processes. Okay, up till now we have covered electric discharge machining and ultrasonic machining, and in this lecture we are going to cover wire cut EDM, which is that wire cut electric discharge machining. Same principle of electric discharge machining, but only there will be wire. How it will work? For example, this is workpiece. Here we will drill one small hole, and from that small hole the metal wire will pass, and that wire will act as electrode. Okay, and this workpiece will given positive supply, and that wire will act as electrode, and which will have the supply, that is negative supply. Okay, and this workpiece will be on work table, and that workpiece we according to our cutting direction we will move to and fro, up and down. Okay, according to that, means we can move this in all both three directions. And this is roll, which roll will supply the wire, continuous supply of wire will be because of roll. And here again the same principle will happen, as the negative supply is in between wire and the positive supply to the workpiece. Ultimately on that gap the spark will be created, and because of that spark the cutting action will happen. And here we will supply dielectric also. Okay, in case of electric discharge machining also there is one dielectric, that is nothing but kerosene, and here also we have to supply one dielectric, so that in between that gap the spark will be generated. Okay, so this is very basic principle of wire cut EDM. The wire will be continuously supplied. And why wire is going to continuously supplied? Because if that wire is too much small, in diameter will be in mm, and if we are not going to supply that wire again and again, then that wire will be break directly because of high heat and erosion reaction. Okay, that's why we have to supply this wire with the help of this roll, and this is collecting roll. This is supply roll, this is collecting roll. This is wire, that wire have given negative supply, workpiece have given positive supply, and from here we are supplying dielectric. This is as simple as that. But only the case is that on that workpiece we need to drill one small hole first, pass the wire from that, and after that we can make the machining. We can do cutting in this direction, this direction, this direction. In which direction we need, that we can do cutting in that direction. Okay, this is the simple mechanism. And now we will move towards some analysis of this wire cut EDM. And in that, first parameter, that is nothing but very thin or very thin copper or brass wire is used. Wire we was using wire. Okay, that wire will be very thin, and that will be copper or brass. Copper or brass wire we are going to use. Then diameter of wire will be 0.02 to 0.03 mm. Okay, you can imagine too much small diameter it is. That's why we need to supply the wire continuously. Then next is the surface finish will be too much good. Then complicated shapes can be produced, because as these wires have only 0.2 to 0.02 to 0.03 mm diameter. So, and we can move that workpiece in every direction. That's why the complicated shapes we can generate very easily. Then next is only electrically conductor materials can be machined. This is one limitation we can say, because we need to supply current, the voltage and current, that is nothing but power supply, electric power supply to workpiece and electrode. So ultimately that electrically conducting workpiece only be machined with wire cut EDM method. Then next is skilled operator for programming. We need to program this all the method, all the operation, and then that operation will happen. Like in case of CNC machine, same will be here, wire cut EDM. That's why the skilled operator is required for programming. Okay, these are some points of wire cut EDM method. And now we will move towards our last point of lecture, that is bonus point. Okay, we are now moving towards our last, but before that please like, share and subscribe my channel, and you are enjoying then please let me know in comment also, and if you have any suggestion then also let me know in comment box, so that I will make video according to you, because this is all for you. Okay, so bonus point, discharge current is maximum 30 ampere. Okay, and if current increases the MRR will also increase. Okay, if current increases then MRR increases. Then next is speed of wire. The speed of wire will be 2.5 to 150 mm per second. Okay, 2.5 to 150 mm per second, this much high speed we need to implement there. The current is also we need to implement there. And then maximum thickness that can be machined, that is 90 mm. Okay, up to 90 mm thick components we can machine with the help of wire cut EDM process. So these are some practical values that I have given you in bonus point. That's why bonus points are too much important for you. And in next lecture I will come up with electric discharge grinding. Okay, now we was moving with wire cut electric discharge machining, and in next lecture I will come up with electric discharge grinding. So up till now we will meet again. Thank you friends, bye.